through the laughter glow. Tickle, clouds and giggles fly, chasing rainbows in the sky. Every chuckle fuels the steam, a belly laugh powers the dream. Snorts and squeals keep it alive, this train runs on joy to thrive. All aboard the laughing train, full of smiles we can't contain. Round the world through joy we ride, happiness is our guide. Clink and clank, the wheels in play, jokes and jests pave the way. Echoes of delight all around, humming a joke-filled merry sound. No tickets here, just bring a grin. A giggle's the price to get you in. Through valleys of fun this train will zoom, filling the air with a cheerful boom. From dawn till dusk, the train won't stop. Witty wonders at every hop. A world of joy, no tears allowed. Cackling loud, we're train proud.